Right guys, we've got a special one today. Big orange box. You can probably guess what it is just from the title. Well, you'll know what it is from the title. We've got the Oneplus 7T Pro McLaren edition. So this is no standard Oneplus 7T Pro. This is the special edition one they make in collaboration with McLaren, which comes with some goodies. So let's take a look inside. Bear in mind this, I've already opened this because I couldn't wait. It's already looking good. You know what that means. If something comes in a box, it's got to either be expensive or something very special. The fact that it comes in its own box, and then it's got a box of its own, and then you've got the Oneplus Never Settle branding. So let's put this box away. Such a nice colour, this orange yellow McLaren colour. And then we've got this carbon fibre looking box with an orange bottom. And then we've got the Oneplus 7T Pro. And that's basically all the branding there is on there. Right, let's have a look. I've got to say, this is a lovely unboxing experience. It's a very long box though. I suppose it's different from the other manufacturers. They usually make these square ones and stuff. So we have this very long booklet pouch thing. Let's have a look what's in here. Usually I wouldn't look, but because this is the McLaren edition, I want to make sure that I know everything that's in there. So, SIM ejection tool. Oh, and then you've got, well, that's quite good. Like, well, I wouldn't say blueprints, but it tells you some stuff about the phone. And then invitation letter. Where are the stickers? We don't get no stickers. Then again, didn't buy this brand new, so the stickers are probably not there just because somebody else wanted them. Usually OnePlus phones, I think they come with stickers. Now we've got the phone. We'll leave that till the last bit. It is on, as you can see, because I have set it up already. Lovely orange braided USB-C cable. And then I believe in here, I'm not going to take the cable out because, actually I will take the cable out. It's such a nice cable, feels very nice. A little bit different to, because usual OnePlus cables, they're red, whereas this one's orange and black. It's a very nice cable. Obviously this is warp charge cable. Very nice. Let's pop that one back in. If we can. Will it go back in? This is why I didn't want to take it out. Should go back in. Right. If it doesn't go back in now, I'll just put it in later. Nope. Right, we'll do that later. And then here we've got the OnePlus charger. Not the standard colour again, it's the special edition McLaren one, which just got some McLaren branding on the side. Normal 1 port, and it's just a bit of a different colour. So and then you would think that's it, but then they've got a secret compartment which is at the bottom, this orange bit. Let's open that up. And then usually, you know that phone manufacturers have usually been including like these clear silicone gel cases in their phone boxes. They took it a bit further with this McLaren special edition device, which you get this beautiful McLaren case for your phone, which is a combination of like carbon fibre look and I think it's like a suede. material, super soft to the touch, and it looks super nice when you put it on the phone. That's probably one of the best cases I've seen come with a device in the box, and then little McLaren branding and Oneplus. Very nice. Now let's take a look at the actual phone. So we've got the phone here. Yes, I went through the effort of wrapping it back up just for you guys. And then we've got this little sticker. I don't like these being on the back. I think it ruins the look of the device. Let's clean it up a bit. Look at that. So nice when it gets hit by the light. All the way. That shine, the design. Such a nice design. Then you've got the orange power button. So this device actually weighs 207 grams or 206 grams. The dimensions of it: 162.6 millimeters by 75.9 millimeters, and then 8.8 millimeters thick. You've got a 6.67 inch AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate, which OnePlus call fluid display, and the resolution on this is 3120 by 1440, and if you want to know the PPI, it's 516. If you don't know what PPI means, it means pixels per inch. So the higher the resolution screen, usually the higher pixels per inch it will have, depending on the size. The more pixels per inch, the clearer and sharper things look on the screen. And the screen is also HDR10 Plus capable, which is very good. Comes with a Snapdragon 855 Plus as the processor. The standard OnePlus 7T Pro comes with 8GB of RAM. This McLaren edition, because it is McLaren, it gets boosted up to 12GB of RAM of LPDDR4X, and you get 256GB of UFS 3.0 storage. So fast storage, fast RAM, fast phone. The battery in it, it's a 4085 mAh battery. It uses the new Warp Charge 30 technology, and OnePlus claim that you can go from 0 to 68% in 30 minutes, which, to be honest, I wouldn't be surprised, because the OnePlus chargers and phones are very fast indeed. We've got a triple camera array on the back, so I want to make sure I get this right. I know what the cameras are, I just want to make sure I know the layout of which one's which. We've got ultra wide angle on the top, 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. It's the first one, and that is at f2.2 aperture. And then we've got the 48 megapixel main camera lens, which is an f1.6 aperture. And then the third one is an 8 megapixel telephoto lens, 3x telephoto at f2.4 aperture. Now these camera array gives you a bunch of features like night mode, and macro mode is one that not many phones come with, but this one actually does. It lets you get up to 2.5 centimeters to a subject while keeping it sharp in focus, which is very, very good. The front camera, it comes up, I'll show you, because I love the fact that the display's all the way, and then you'll see the front camera pops up the top and hides away. That front camera is a 16 megapixel f2.0 camera, which all the cameras combined, they do provide very great photos. So very good device, very good photos, very good capabilities, and it's super fast. Very interested to see how it's going to perform. I'm going to be using this as my now daily. That S20 I had, I didn't like it. It's something about the way that the size of the phone and the way that the battery wouldn't last that long, and the fast charging wasn't as fast as I thought it would be. It's still a great phone, but it's just it's a combination of things which made me not want it anymore. So now I've got this one and things are looking promising. So guys, that was the McLaren Edition OnePlus 7T Pro. If you liked the video, thumbs up, subscribe for more content, go over to my social media channels here, say hello, follow me, and yeah, that's it. Leave a comment down below if anyone's got these, or what phones have you got, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.